Keziah wa Kariuki has left her fans in more confusion, and this was after she was spotted wearing her wedding ring despite the ongoing rumors of her divorce. She was at a recent event whereby when performing on stage is when the ring was noticed on her finger. And as you can see here on this photo, the ring is very much intact on her finger. Na nĩaronekanaga ena gĩkeno kĩingĩ mũno. She was very joyous on stage, performing on stage. She gave a wonderful performance. Na rĩu mafans ake nĩmatigĩtwo na ciũria nyingĩ mũno. Could the divorce be real? Cause why would she be still wearing a wedding ring if she's actually divorced? Bearing in mind she has never personally addressed the issue. She has never come out to say that yes, indeed she is divorced or not. Because the only thing she ever said ever since the divorce rumors came out is that she has chosen peace, and that is what was deduced to be her message confirming that she is actually divorced, but she has never directly confirmed or denied it. Ũndũ ũyũ rĩu gatiga mafans ake matukanĩirwo makĩria, but at least there is progress in the story. At least now we see her wearing the wedding ring despite her not confirming the divorce rumors. But let's just wait and see. Don't forget to subscribe for the latest Kikuyu celebrity news.